The proposed climate legislation in Australia is not in any way leading the rest of the world. Indeed, Australia has an opportunity to follow the experience in Europe, where a price for carbon has operated for many years, where there have been incentives for renewable energy and planning gains for a greener approach to the development of the economy. And the Australian legislation in many respects improves upon the experience of Europe. It's actually better at energising the response to the climate change problem out of the business community. It's also the case that Australia has nothing to fear from this change. The business community will still profit from selling minerals and fossil fuels into the growing economies, particularly in the Asian region. But looking ahead, it's very easy to see that there will be a demand for more resource efficiency, for green technology. Premier Wen Jiabao's speeches recently have emphasized the 5-year plan in China, which is to make it a more energy efficient, resource efficient, greener economy over the decades to come. That's a market opportunity that Australia can exploit. It can take the value from selling fossil fuels and convert it into the value from selling services, green technology, higher value added goods, which an Australian highly educated economy can deliver upon. And just think what a legacy that could lead if you establish this climate legislation and create the incentives for a leaner, greener, more resource-efficient economy, and you sell into these growing markets around the world. The legacy for a future generation is a cleaner, less risky economy, more stable, and with lower operating costs. Now that would be a much more attractive future regime to grow up in than one with higher costs, more risk from climate change, and more insecurity from the drying up of markets where fossil fuels have become more expensive. That's something to look forward to and nothing to fear.